All right, today we're going to show you how to extract the 3-digit BIN number out of all of the radios on Harleys from 14 to 23. This is going to be a process that you're going to use if your bike is a CVO that came with the factory boom amplifier systems, or if the boom amplifier systems have been added to your bike at a later time after the bike was new. The bin number is what the amplifiers need to see for the radio to work correctly. SoundStream has been able to develop a system to where the radio will integrate with these amplifiers and make them play correctly. If this number is not installed into the SoundStream radio, you will experience the speakers not being very loud, or maybe even some of them not working at all. It's a very simple process, and we're going to walk you through it for the 14 to 18 GT radio, the 19 to 23 GTS radio. We're going to enter it into the WHD 14 Plus radio once the unlock kit has been installed, the SoundStream HD HU 14 SI, as well as the V2. Stay tuned, and we're going to walk you through all these steps so you'll be able to handle this in no time. So to get the 3-digit bin number out of the 2014 through 2018 GT radios, start off with pushing and holding the power mute button as you turn the bike on. This will take several seconds while the screen boots up. Once you get to the accept screen, push the home button. Now you'll go to audio, EQ, then your information button. Your code will be a 3-digit number. If your radio only shows 2 digits, put a 0 in front of this. So we will use a 003 for your new radio, either the SoundStream V2 or the 14 Plus with the unlock kit. Write this number down, and now we can swap the radio out. All right, so now we're going to extract the 3-digit bin number from the 19 to 23 GTS radio. We're going to start off with turning the bike on and wait till the radio completely boots up. Once we hit the accept screen, we'll push and hold the mute and power button and wait for the service menu to pop up. From here, we will push the audio icon, EQ, and then the info button. This radio only has a 2-digit number. Your radio may have 3. If you only have 2 digits, add a 0 to this number, so the bin number for this model bike will be 017. Write this number down and save it for when we're installing the new radio. All right, so now we're going to put the 3-digit bin number into the SoundStream WHD 14. Now, this radio will work with the factory boom amplifiers. However, you do need to buy the WHD unlock kit from SoundStream with the Maestro that'll allow this radio to communicate with the boom amplifiers. So we'll start off with turning the radio on. And you'll see on the screen that it has been unlocked. If the radio has not been unlocked, this will not work. So we'll start off with going to the motorcycle info. We'll hit the screwdriver and wrench icon. Go to vehicle settings, amp settings, audio system, and here is where you put your 3-digit bin number in. Keep in mind that if your radio only had 2 numbers showing, you put a 0 in the front and then the 2 numbers that were there. Then we'll hit OK. Yes. And then OK. Now your radio will run the boom amplifier systems that either came factory on the CVO or if they've been added by your Harley dealer. All right, now we're going to enter our 3-digit BIN number into the SoundStream HD HU.14 SI radio. We'll start off with turning the bike on. Once the radio boots up, we're going to go to motorcycle info. First, we'll start by going to the home screen. Then motorcycle info, the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, vehicle settings, amp settings, audio system, and then you can put in your 3-digit bin number. Again, if your radio only showed 2 digits, start the first number off with a 0, then the 2 digits from your other radio, then hit OK. You want to overwrite, and OK. All right, for the final radio, we're going to do the SoundStream V2 and put the 3-digit BIN number in for the factory boom amplifiers. We're going to start off with starting the bike and let the radio boot up. By far, this is the best radio to go with. Just look at the size of that 8.3-inch screen. Okay, we're going to start off by going to motorcycle info. We're going to hit the screwdriver and wrench icon, vehicle settings, amp settings, audio system, and then from here we can put in our 3-digit bin number from the factory radio. Again, if your radio only had 2 numbers, make the first number be a 0 and use the last 2 numbers. Then press OK, yes, and success.
Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.